Looks like a war zone.
I got rocks in my heel.
Well, did you have him in there?
Yeah. I was going to live with him, and I thought, you know what, I can't at the beginning of the day start with a blister on my head.
James. Where's he at?
The one in the Middle East. He's deployed. Okay. Who wants to use my sunscreen on their lips? So they... Oh! Look at that. Very, very cool. Okay. You must have pictures up here. That's so awesome.
It is.
From here, it looks like a seal head sticking up.
Oh, you got to see the contour of it.
Over here, if you see the nose.
That's kind of neat.
Oh. It looks like that's what all this rock was. All these different angles before it blew. I mean, before it cracked. Like this, you can see all these cracks. It's about to fall apart. It looks like it was a block.
Not the fumarole here.
Beautiful.
Yeah, I think when we get the top, it'll even be, I'm hoping anyway, it'll be even better. Alright, getting ready to summit and take a peek. Oh yeah! Oh buddy, is it awesome? Look at her.
Oh Lord, that's beautiful. Oh.
How many people get to see that?
Oh, Mom, that's beautiful.
Oh man.
Oh. Oh wow.
We're gonna have to sit and take this in for a while.
Oh. We hit the high point of the rim too.
Yes, we did.
Look at that.
Ice
That's
falling
what
in.
we're looking at. Yeah, maybe over here.
Over there's one we're looking at, but that's a good one over there too.
Wow.
Look at that, Sue.
Look at how many vents there are.
Oh, that's gorgeous. Oh my gosh.
Look at how many vents. You can't hardly count.
Oh.
This, you know, the way the water's blue makes me think like this is limestone. That's how.
Town. Throw it in the tank, window of gas.
Yeah, I don't know where that other big rock was, but this looks higher, don't you think?
Yeah,
I don't see any other big rock.
this appears to be it. We'll know when we get up there.
This is either a whole nother
Oh my gosh, I didn't see the glaciers over here.
whole nother caldera of its own.
So that's a bergschrund right there.
Is that what they call that thing?
The very top. Oh, look, but there's a bergschrund over there too.
The little guy?
No, look over this way. So there's one, yeah, there, and there's one here, because that's the mound, and then it's. See, I don't understand. That doesn't look so much steeper, to me.
Trying to get that 6,000 on yours. And here, just look at mine. This is 6,000.
You have to go stand on that little rock
See
right
it?
there, Corey.
And 6 feet.
5 feet, 6 feet,
7
feet.
You got to go stand on that rock, Corey. See right there?
I hereby bear witness. Jake's GPS, however calibrated,
It's the
reads
correct one.
6,000
Plus.
and 7 feet.
Yes.
And he's not standing.
Like, wind-free site.
It is.
Back up.
My goodness.
Jake,
Yeah, bro.
it just gave me 6 even. 6,000 even.
Sweet.
610. Well, we can agree on one thing. We were between 6,000 and 6,010 feet.
Beautiful fumarole here, blowing right out of the side of the mountain. Stay here. You stay up here. Good boy. We're not going any further, buddy. A little closer here. As close as we're gonna get. Huh, buddy? Stay here. We're close enough. Quite a beautiful landscape, to say the least. You can see the fumarole there or not. Yeah. Gorgeous. Snow cave or an ice cave down there. See it.
Before I sleep. Beautiful.
How's your taste? Oh, looky there. Little scabbard coming out.
I held my breath so I wouldn't smell it at the same time.
Look who's above you.
Of course, taste is. Oh, thanks, Sky. Little Sky Creepy.
There's your water.
Can we fill a bottle of peace just to get, for the sake of getting down? Or should we keep going?